And this is the LGSF quick quote page. This is just a two-step process. The input project details page and the output quotation page. We can configure the quotation scope and budget here in this configuration menu. We can choose the beginners or the expert level. Right now we are looking at the beginners level. The expert level is being developed and will be launched very soon. At project type, we can choose the scope of supply, whether it is just the steel skeletal structure or the core and shell or the total turnkey solution. We can also choose the budget type based on the client's budget requirements. There are 4 options here: platinum, gold, silver, and bronze. The configuration of each budget and types are shown here. The platinum budget, gold budget, silver budget, and bronze budget. Okay, now let's start with a demo of a small LGSF code for a dream house, and let's see how fast we can do the quotation for our dream house. We can enter the project name. Let's do a dream house project, and location, let's make it Mumbai, and let's do a 2-story villa project, say with 1,000 square feet ground floor, 1,000 square feet first floor, with the wall area of 2,000 on each floor. Let's consider, say, 5 doors on the ground floor, 4 windows, or say, let's do 5 windows, and 4 doors on the first floor and 4 windows on the first floor. So let's have a balcony area of, say, 30 square feet and a bathroom area of, say, 60 square feet, both on the ground floor and the first floor. And let's assume a staircase area of, say, 120 square feet, right? So now the dimensions are all done now. Now we need to choose some more options like roofing type. It can be either a pitched slope roof or a flat concrete roof. You can see here, you can have a close watch on the top ribbon. There's a project value, which is right now it is showing as 42 lakhs, and cost per square feet right now it is showing as 1,956. And the budget shown as gold, and the scope is turnkey. Now let's go to the sloped roof, and then the wall infill, the choice is drywall and solid wall. You can see all the dimensions here: built up area, wall area, floor area, roof area, cantilever area, staircase area, foundation area, all are mentioned here, including the steel consumption data. How much is this kg per square feet of steel consumption for light gauge and hot rolled steel, and also the total steel value. It is 5,014 kg. Then here we can see the loading conditions, whether it is a residential load or institutional loads. You can see here, again I'm saying have a close watch on this. The project value, every time I select a different loading conditions, the output value also changes here. Again, wind loads, we can select different rate of wind loads, and we can select earthquake normal or high earthquake prone zone. You can even include say a water tank, let's say 1,000 liters. This is done, and this is our digital code, final digital code. You can see the steel skeletal structure code here, wall cost, roofing cost, flooring cost, staircase, and finishing cost. You can see the various scopes. You can remove one particular component from the code. For example, you want to remove the designing, you can make it not in scope, or you can make it remove the wall infill insulation in scope or not in scope. Every time you make a change, you can also see the final output also is changing. The values are also changing here. Now this all the quotation, once you enter all these values, selections here, you can also choose one customized option here, like maybe this particular line you can enter some special finishing like say modular kitchens or no smart home technology or solar panel technology, and you can enter the pricing also here, pricing and unit here. That will be added to the total construction cost. So now this is done. The values mentioned in this code are basically for an indicative price. This is this is a fairly accurate value. These are fairly accurate values based on some our own algorithms, and there may be a slight difference. This is not 100%. There may be a slight difference from the actual values, but this is fairly accurate. And this price is mentioned here. All our rack rates and includes a 15% margin for the builder who is building this one. Now let's go to the output quotation page, and here you can see, if you want to, now we have selected the budget of gold and scope of turnkey. Now when we click this get all quotes, actually you can compare actually various budgets, whether it is platinum, gold, silver, against various scope of supply, whether it is a steel profile or core and shell or turnkey. Now here you can see there is no change in the steel profile cost and the steel grid cost per square feet, because there is no like the steel skeletal structure, there is no difference whether it is platinum, gold, silver and bronze. The only difference starts from the core and shell and the turnkey solutions. And here is our final quotation, and you can go and print this here, and you can directly print it or save as PDF, save it in your computer like this. So that completes the quick quote process. It's fairly accurate and it's very fast, and if the customers wanted to change their compare all the quotes, they can also see this get download, and they can see the entire comparison of all the quotes in a single page that can be downloaded here. And you can see here, right, the total project cost is coming up here. So this is a very useful tool for the LGSF builder and also for the LGSF people who wanted to build an LGSF house and wanted to get a fair knowledge and idea about the pricings of the LGSF quotations. So if you needed a very detailed quote, you can also send this to our website, which is steelvantage@gmail.com. And you can also ask for any queries and clarifications. You can contact the same email. Thank you for your patience, and thank you for the opportunity provided to explain about the LGSF quick quote. Thank you.